I'm going to make one of those creamy iced coffee things that I say. I did not want to spend $9.99 for no Nescafe Cafe Gold. So I just got these from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to put, and it's instant coffee. I think I did that kind of fast. These are at the Dollar Tree. I finally got a frother, so it's my second day making one of these. I'm so excited. So I'm putting that in there. I'll put another one in there. And then I use brown sugar and my favorite creamer. I get that at Walmart. You already know. That's what cream this is. Extra creamy. And I have my ice in here. Brown sugar. Walmart. I have my Ghirardelli. I don't know. So I'm going to use another one. Put that in there. I'm going to use a third a cup of warm water that I put in the microwave for a minute. I got this from the thrift store. I love this thing. It's silicone. And it was $1.41 green. And so it's probably half off. Okay, so here we go. Stir it. Really. So, let's see. What was it? Oh, I need to put brown sugar. I'm going to put a tablespoon in there because it was very sweet yesterday. So, stir that. And the brown sugar is going to melt really fast because, again, this is hot water. So now I'm going to use my frother. Got this from Walmart a couple of days ago for under $6. Starting to get salty already. I was impatient yesterday. I think I did it for like 5 minutes and my hand was starting to hurt, so I said the heck with it. But as you can see, it's getting salty already. I don't know, I really want it to be like the creamy kind when you see the whole thing is creamy. But I will say this is frothing a whole lot better than my... Been doing this for a while now. See how cool that is. We're going to use this caramel. Shake it up. And I'm going to put it around the sides as you stir it or twist it. Okay. Actually, I want it more in there. You use any kind of caramel. I just really like this salted caramel. So, okay. So here we go. See it all around there. And I'm going to put ice. One. And I'll put 5 in there. So you have ice. I'm going to put my Butter Pecan creamer in here. Look at that. Is that not beautiful? And you don't want to put it all the way up to the top because you want to put the whipped cream in there. Okay. Put the lid on there. It's a lot of whipped cream, but it will go down. Look at that. This is probably, I don't know, good 20 ounce. Oh my God. This drink was probably cost me maybe $3. So it's fall. It's time to do this. Well, I mean, I would do it year round. But anyway, that's how to make an easy iced coffee.